Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz CLA 2.0 CLA45 AMG Coupe SpdS DCT 4MATIC, which is a petrol automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Cirrus white gloss. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing the Cirrus white gloss exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have a powered boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the AMG exclusive lava black upholstery with red perforations. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable, and as well as this they are also memory seats, allowing you to find a comfortable position and then save it as well. You also have the Harman and Kardon sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your buttons for your information panel, and you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your information panel, you can see that this vehicle has done 40,586 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. This vehicle also features a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on the Mercedes-Benz CLA 2.0 CLA45 AMG Coupe SpdS DCT 4MATIC that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.